Hello everyone, my name is Zara Fadima Fatia. The topic of my presentation today is the power of photography. The article, The Power of Photography. Photography holds the power to transform how we see the world. Photographers use their cameras as tools of exploration and instruments for change. Although philosopher Soren Kierkegaard initially viewed photography's future pessimistically, National Geographic has demonstrated photography's importance in revealing global diversity and touching hearts. National Geographic photographers face various challenges, from extreme weather to health risks and logistical issues. Yet, they remain dedicated to storytelling through images that resonate deeply. They see photography as a collaborative process, showing respect toward their subjects and demonstrating a commitment to vulnerable communities and the environment. Their photography goes beyond documentation. It influences change as seen when images of gold mining in Congo altered Swiss gold merchants' policies. Iconic images like the portrait of Sarbat Gula, the Afghan girl, show how a photograph can capture the world's attention, proving that even in today's digital age, a single image can still profoundly stir human awareness. And the sentence, what does the article discuss? The article explores the power and influence of photography, especially National Geographic photography, which has the potential to change perspectives and raise awareness about important global issues. B. Who are the main subjects in the article? The main subjects are National Geographic photographers. C. When did photography become an important part of National Geographic? Photography began to play a significant role in National Geographic over a century ago, following the invention of the daguerreotype and the magazine's mission of exploration and visual storytelling. And then the D, where does National Geographic send its photographers? National Geographic photographers travel worldwide, from conflict zones in places like Congo to refugee camps in Pakistan, where the famous portrait of Sarbat Gula, the Afghan girl, was taken. And the E, why is photography important according to the article? Photography is essential because it serves as a tool for explanation, change, and awareness, bringing attention to global issues such as climate change, human conflict, and species extinction. And the F, how do National Geographic photographers capture meaningful image? They often span extended period with their subjects, building trust and understanding before capturing authentic, meaningful image that convey deep stories and emotions. And the G, what is an example of a powerful photograph mentioned in the article? The portrait of Sarbat Gula, known as the Afghan girl, is highlighted as a powerful image that captured the world's attention and empathy due to its intense and emotional impact. H. Why does National Geographic use photography to address global issues? The magazine uses photography to spotlight critical but often overlooked issues, such as the impact of climate change on seal habitats or the harmful gold mining practice in Congo. And the I, who is a notable National Geographic photographer mentioned, and what did he achieve? Marcus Blaisdell is mentioned for his work documenting illegal gold mining in Congo, which led to Swiss gold merchants halting their purchases for Congolese gold after seeing his image. Next is the verbal and nominal. For the verbal, number one, photographers use their cameras as tools of exploration. Two, the images are proof that photography matters now more than ever. Three, National Geographic photographers continue to stand out. Four, a great photography can explode the totality of our world. And five, they can find themselves serving as unwelcome ambassadors in hostile countries. And the nominal, number one, is a photograph. A photograph is more than just documentation. For two, the lodestone of the camera is a constant tug for National Geographic photographers. Three, photography is a collaborative venture between two souls. Four, their sense of responsibility is visible in their photographs. And five, the epic shot is a goal for every professional photography. Next, for the verbal, number 6 is National Geographic has revealed a world of wondrous diversity. 7. Marcus Bleasdale's images stopped the Swiss merchants from purchasing gold. 8. National Geographic photographers has spent years immersed in secluded worlds. 9. The Afghan girls stopped a heedless Western world dead in its tracks. Then we can see the frailty of hard seals habitat due to climate change. Okay, next for the nominal. Number 6 is the Afghan girl is the most iconic photograph of National Geographic. 7. Consistency is another trait that binds these photographers. 8. The truth is a snare, as Kierkegaard noted. Number 9. The portrait of Sarbat Gula is a powerful testament to photography's influence. And 10. Their work is a commitment to reveal unknown words to a broader audience. For the active and passive. For the active, millions of pictures are uploaded every minute. Number 2. Correspondingly, everyone is a subject and knows it they. Now we will be adding the unguarded moment to the undecorated spacious list. Number 3. When I tell people that I work for this magazine, I see their eyes grow wide and I know what will happen when I add as I must. Sorry, I'm just one of the writers. Okay, next for the passive. Number 1. Millions of pictures are being uploaded every minute. Okay, number 2. Correspondingly, everyone is being a subject and knows it any day now we will be added and the unguarded moment to the endangered species list. Number 3. When I told to people that I work for this magazine, I see their eyes grow wide and I know what will happen when I added as I must. Sorry, I'm just one of the writers. Okay, next for the translate article. Fotografi memiliki kekuatan untuk mengubah cara pandang kita terhadap dunia. Fotografer menggunakan kamera mereka sebagai alat eksplorasi dan pembawa perubahan. Meskipun filsuf Soren Kierkegaard awalnya pesimis terhadap masa depan fotografi, karya-karya dalam National Geographic telah membuktikan pentingnya fotografi dalam mengungkapkan keragaman dunia dan menyentuh hati banyak orang. Fotografi National Geographic menghadapi berbagai tantangan dalam tugas mereka, seperti kondisi cuaca ekstrem, risiko kesehatan, dan kesulitan logistik. Namun, mereka tetap berkomitmen untuk mengisahkan cerita melalui gambar-gambar yang mereka menyentuh jiwa. Mereka menganggap fotografi sebagai kolaborasi menghormati subjek yang mereka potret, dan memperlihatkan kepedulian terhadap lingkungan dan masyarakat yang rentan. Fotografi mereka bukan hanya dokumentasi, tetapi alat untuk mempengaruhi perubahan, seperti ketika gambar penambangan emas di Kongo mengubah kebijakan pedagang emas di Swiss. Gambar ikonik seperti potret Sarbat Gula, gadis Afghanistan, menunjukkan kekuatan gambar dalam menggerakkan perasaan dan perhatian dunia, membuktikan bahwa di era banjir gambar digital, sebuah foto masih bisa menggugah kesadaran manusia. This is for the SPOK, sorry. Number one is photographers use their cameras as tools of exploration. For the subject is photographers. For the P, use their K as tools of exploration. Number two, the Afghan girls stare stop a heedless Western word that in it strikes. For the S, the Afghan girls stare. For the P, stop. O, a heedless Western word. K, that in it strikes. Okay, next. Okay, for the number 7, National Geographic photographers have spent years immersed in secluded world. For the S, National Geographic photographers. For the P, have spent. For the O, years. For the K, immersed in secluded worlds. Okay, this is for the reason why. A, past tense. The writer the writer uses the past tense to revert to historical events or previous achievements in photography, such as National Geographic photographers have spent years immersed in secluded worlds. This tense grounds the article in real experience and achievements, emphasizing the magazine's long history of impactful storytelling through photography. Okay, thank you for my presentation. I'm Zara Fadima Fatia. Bye bye.